Okay, so having dreadlocks does take commitment. So to have beautiful shiny dreadlocks, they need to be properly maintained and cared for, because there's so many causes that can make your locks look, feel dull and dry. Good news is there are also many solutions to maintaining your locks and to keep them healthy. You should know that some people may think they have dull locks. It may just be the natural texture of their hair and not due to poor maintenance at all. But if you're not satisfied with the overall texture of your locks, there are still several ways to improve on the conditions of your locks. So I will be going through a couple of things that I do, so stay tuned. Clarifying. Now, clarifying is a very important step when trying to get shiny locks, because clarifying helps remove all the dirt and build-up from your locks. And so I usually do apple cider vinegar and baking soda rinse. I'll be putting up a video of how I do that real soon. Now, after clarifying, I follow up with conditioning. Okay, so I do a hot oil treatment, which is great for my locks. It helps restore moisture back into my locks. So after rinsing out the hot oil treatment for my hair, I wait till my hair is almost dry, and then I rub in some olive oil or coconut oil as a leave-in conditioner. Next will be dry your locks. Molds can grow in and out of your locks if you don't dry them properly, and that can result to dull looking locks. Don't tie them, don't bunch them. In fact, don't cover them with anything till they are properly dry. And definitely don't go to sleep with your hair wet. Okay, so stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. If your body is thirsty, your locks will be also. Not just spraying your locks with water to keep them hydrated. You need to drink up. Okay, so drink this water, stay hydrated. Now this step is very important, and that is product overkill. Using products on your locks is totally acceptable, but the amount of products being used is where you need to be very careful. So piling your locks with tons of grease or butter is not helping matters at all, but making them worse, and that can cause nasty build-ups and then resulting to dull looking locks. I spray my locks with water every day or two using my lock moisturizing routine, but I only oil my hair on shampoo days. Now next, keep them clean. Now I know the longer they get, we can become lazy sometimes to wash as often as we do or as often as we should, but bear in mind that the more you keep them clean, the better they will look and feel. So wash your locks. Next, sleep with your hair covered. It's always better to sleep with something covering your hair, because cotton can really dry out your locks. So wearing a scarf to bed will help retain moisture and keep nits out of your locks. So that's just the simple things that I do. I really hope you find this video informative. So for those of you who have suggestions or extra tips, do leave your comments on the comment section below, because I also will want to know more on how to get healthy locks. So I want to thank you for watching, for supporting, and for subscribing to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.